saying goodbye to my fourth, I think this is the fourth refrigerator that we've had in this house. For a while, I was trying to defrost it and sort of keep it going, and I had the repair guy come out and give me a quote of, $500+ to fix it. And so I have decided that we are going to get a new refrigerator. So I'm going to show you that when it comes tomorrow. And we're going to take this refrigerator into the garage. Here is my new KitchenAid refrigerator. I'm gonna open the doors here. I have a couple things in here. We're transferring from our old refrigerator. Here is the settings. Here's the freezer setting. Here's the ice and door alarm. There's the refrigerator setting. So we've had it for a few hours now, and so it is set. Here is the water filter, the filtered water. It's kind of a bummer. I think it just, you have to press this. So you have to kind of have use two hands, from what I can tell. So we used to have the one in the door. So that's going to be a little more basic than what we had before. Here are the vegetable and fruit, humidity controlled. So those are nice size. And then here is the deli drawer. Here's the freezer. It's a little tight. Let's see. Oh no, that seems a little small. Giving you guys one more look at my new refrigerator. This is the KitchenAid. I will list the model number. Here is the inside again. Has a few things in here now. It's pretty basic. These drawers don't exactly glide in and out. This one is a little more smooth. You can regulate the temperature. And here's some of the stats so you guys can see the cubic footage. So it's 14.4 cubic feet for the refrigerator, 5.6 cubic feet for the freezer. You can see the height. It's 68.5 inches tall. And you can see the rest of the stats. And here, I'll give you a quick view so you can see the model number. Okay, so you can see that. And so if you're thinking about this model, I would say depending on what you had before and if you have any other storage, it's good. I mean, I like the way it looks. I wanted another model, but it was too tall. You can see here that I had definite limitations as to how tall this could be. One of the things that's a little weird, this freezer is really small. Here's this, you guys can kind of see. I do not have a whole lot. I have a lot of cherries for some reason. I don't have a lot in here. It's pretty full. And this isn't even half of the stuff that was in my other freezer. And then we have this ice tray takes a lot of space. I mean, kind of saves space in the refrigerator by not having the ice maker in the refrigerator. But this seems like a waste of space. So I'm going to figure out if I can get another pan for this that's smaller, that's like half the size, that can catch the ice and then free up some more space for the freezer. Luckily, we did save our other refrigerator, and it is a GE, and it's in the garage. So I do have space in there for freezer, but if you freeze a lot of stuff and you don't have another freezer, I would hesitate on this. But again, on the good side, I love the color. You can see the color goes well with my counters, and it's, you know, it's nice. It was $26.09, I think, $2,609, which shockingly enough is sort of mid-priced for a model like this. I think the other counter depth I was looking at was the GE Cafe, and that was another $700. I think that one was going for $3,400. So it didn't feel like it had enough bells and whistles to justify spending another $600 or $700. If you were thinking about this model, I just wanted to give you an up close look at it. I've only had it for a few days, but so far so good. Okay, thank you. Subscribe to my channel, comment down below, give it a thumbs up, ring the bell for future content, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.